Hello, my name is Mario Bosch with Clean Cut Landscape. We're in Lakeview today, renovating some front landscapes. We're over here, we removed some old azaleas in the front gardens. Right now we're in the midst of prepping the gardens with some nice organic topsoil. We've trimmed the shrubs that are going to be left in place. All the debris that we get from all our jobs, we haul off in a dump trailer. As we go around back, I have my guy trimming the Savannah hollies by the pool. Savannah hollies make great trees for the pool area, but they do need to be trimmed. We have extension pole saws to catch all the stuff that's really high. This guy right here has got 25 years experience in using a pole saw. His name is Lou, and he's really good at what he does. Now all the debris in the pool will be picked up. When we finish this job, after we mulch it, plant it, it'll look spectacular and the customer will love it when they get home from work. If you need some nice landscaping, call Clean Cut Landscape, 504-415-1438.